the booth for days. I'm in the coupe with babe. Roof on the rock, free gone. Hit it like battery bonds.
What's good, YouTube? It's Pharaoh TV back doing another video. We got a whole squad with us. We got him.
Auntie, you did what going on?
I forgot his name. We just found it. Oh, we got Shawty back here. Go ahead, explain. Yeah, her too. And we about to do an Oxcore video. What's that we doing, bro?
Alright, you just told them.
Yeah,
okay, we're doing the Oxcore video. Y'all know what an Oxcore video is? Who played the littest song? Anybody who play whoever played the trashiest song gotta get out of the car. Light skin. Alright.
The one with the perm.
Wave game on flea. You see what's going on?
Yeah, I got my do-rag on because I gotta trust it.
Pharaoh Nation. Let's get it started. Up first, we have Empress, wave gang, Empress, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and see what we got going on. See what we got going on.
Niggas envious, bloody got the stiffy got bloody drumming Philly niggas and I'm hooping niggas, and it's showing niggas we ain't hooping nigga. Look at me, you a loser nigga. Off that.
You can pause it. You're done.
All right.
You're done.
She got a little something. I get her that.
That was
wave gang.
That was fun.
She got a little,
like, you know, yeah, cause we
slight. All right, let's see. Sound like some light skin music.
Nigga. Where you from? Nigga?
Hey.
Okay, what's this? Hey.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait, you gotta hit the beat. Alright, now you pause. I rock with it. Alright, you want me to go first or you go first?
Oh my god. Can we cut that out?
Ain't no cut. Just stare. I see you didn't subscribe yet. Why haven't you subscribed?
It's right there.
Right there. Press the like.
You should.
Now.
Yeah, and that little bell that goes white to gray. Like,
hey, straight to it.
Yeah.
Y'all should also share. Yeah. Do that.
Alright, y'all ready for some heat?
Wait a minute. Yeah, not ready. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, this has got real cringy in like 25 seconds, but I'm just keep that to myself.
CEO now it's got the coca. He's talking shit, bro. Just to
Inside light schism. He's suffering. Any donations will help to get his surgery from being
I'm low-key just stalling because I don't want him to play.
Come on!
cause all of us is funny.
Put that on God, man. These niggas don't want no smoke.
No smoke. These niggas don't want it. I can't go, won't go. Won't leave my mama lonely. No smoke. But we done know that money. No smoke. You niggas don't want it. I heard these niggas want smoke.
Bro, I was about to get in there, man. You know what I'm saying? Straight to it.
Yeah.
Falcons.
Alright, so guys, who do y'all think one
Alright.
or eliminated? How we
We're
doing?
gonna count.
One?
Who would get eliminated?
Okay.
1.
Wait.
We just
Point
gonna
on?
point. Yeah.
I don't want to put hold your phone because I don't want to put it in your coffee.
Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Hop up on this car. Trey is officially out.
But I'm still in the car.
He's trash.
Okay.
NBA, he my boy, but this on my car. So I go first. Y'all ready? You know what I'm saying? Straight to it.
On the regular, with my niggas bustin' at the cops on the regular. Bitches sucking dick, giving top on the regular. Kept me wanna whip a straight drop on the regular. Yeah, you know I'm running with the shit on the regular. Bare face, I'ma hit a lick on the regular. Pussy with the drop, go cop on the regular. Yeah, I'm 6'9" with the 9 on the regular. Niggas want war, yeah, kick the door, yeah. Niggas want the sauce, yeah, shake 'em off, yeah.
Auntie, go ahead, Auntie.
Yeah.
This West Coast, but you from Atlanta. Wait. Alright, back to it, man. You know, voting time, my favorite time of the day, cause I'm not getting kicked off. Alright. Come on, Trey. Step to the side. You're not about this, cause you're not in it. You trash. Alright, come on. Bring your head up.
To the middle.
Come here,
now.
auntie. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, baby. All right, so you ready?
1,
1,
2.
2, 3. Get out the car.
We back.
All right, you know what I'm saying? Round 3. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? All
Because
right.
he messed up the first round. 3.
Me and her, you know what I'm saying? Straight to it. I'll go first, you know what I'm saying? Play some heat. Wait.
Shout out Hogan City, man, you know what I'm saying? Whole 4 p.m. You know what I'm saying? I put it to. Shout out my nigga, that's me. I'm in this bitch with TB. I'm in this bitch with 4 Trey. I just pulled up me a real nigga hard in my face. 500.
It wasn't that, but you know what I'm saying? Something like I had to. Come on. Hopefully I win.
Just pointing to the back.
I just be laughing at that shit, bro. I hear this shit all the time. Motherfuckers just be talking, bro. You gonna hear that shit though, especially when you popping. Hey, see, the industry nigga. He ain't gonna find no shots. He rap. That nigga be too.
I quit.
And we just gotta get straight to it, you dig?
It wasn't fair. My song messed up.
That's crazy.
Trey
Y'all
still
who
gotta do a
won?
punishment. Punishment at the end of the video. Let's
Empress.
get to it. You know what I'm saying? We got our first winner, our first aux chord. You know what I'm saying? Let me close this door. First aux chord battle. First winner, a female.
Yeah.
Boom.
We'll go out sad. Wearing honorary light skins today.
Yeah.
Alright, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for watching the video. You want to say any ending remarks?
Hey, bro, you know what I'm saying? Cause that's what happened. Yeah, that made us have to put that on game.
Alright, yeah, that's what's going on. Alright.
It's Pharaoh TV. We out.